delicious sesame chicken tenders.
Eat what you love and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, welcome to Chef Pachi and our delicious chicken tenders. So we're gonna add our sesame oil. We're gonna cut some basil leaves, about 20. And we are gonna add a pinch of pepper, some salt, and a tablespoon of dark sesame seeds. This is all we need. It's gonna be delicious. Then 3 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. This is my secret ingredient. It keeps our chicken tenders super moist and delicious. And they're gonna brown beautifully in our pan. Now, we're gonna add our chicken tenders. You could leave your chicken tenders in this mixture overnight, or 10 minutes, or 5 minutes, or do them immediately after. No problem. You don't have to season them for a long time. And this is enough for about 1 pound of chicken tenders. That is about 10 chicken tenders generally. Now, with this delicious mixture, we are gonna prepare them in a panini grill. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of oil to our grill, and we're gonna make sure it is very hot. We're gonna use it in medium-high or sear temperature. We close our panini grill, and 2 minutes later, voila! Perfect and delicious, lightly browned, beautiful chicken tenders with a delicious sesame and basil flavor. Enjoy beautiful and delicious chicken tenders in minutes, less than 5.
Hagan en su casa.
With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.